Hi everyone, thanks for watching. I'm Lauren, and in this video I wanted to share with you the instructions and just do a quick demonstration and tutorial on how to get your PDF sewing patterns printed using our A0 pattern printing service. Now, I do have another video and a blog post as well that explains in much more depth all about PDF sewing patterns. So if you are new to them, or you're maybe not sure about using them, or you're feeling a bit daunted, or you don't totally understand them, then the other video will explain things in much more detail. But what I wanted to focus on in this video is specifically how to use my website to use our A0 pattern printing service. Now, the beauty of PDF patterns is that not only does it open up a whole other realm of so many different designs and pattern companies and size options and ways that you can print it out than just sticking with traditional paper patterns, is that you can get them printed on large scale A0 sheets. We have a special printer here in the shop that does that, and it means that you don't have to stick anything together. You're not having to print out lots of little A4 bits of paper and do some kind of big jigsaw puzzle to put them all together. It means that you can print it out as many times as you want. Once you own those files, you can print it out in the future. So maybe if you misplace your pattern or you cut it out at a certain size and then you feel like in the future you might want a different size, you can just print it again. I have found that using PDF patterns more has kind of relieved the burden or the pressure that I had put on myself to always trace patterns. I had typically always just been someone that would always trace a pattern just in case I needed the other sizes, just in case. And you know what? A lot of the time that just in case doesn't happen. And as time's gone on, I've got 2 young children, I just don't have that much time to sew, and actually tracing out something was stopping me from sewing sometimes. But when you've got a PDF pattern, if you cut into it, the worst case is that you could just get it printed again if you needed to. Anyway, I will stop trying to sway you from using PDF patterns. Hopefully if you're here watching this video, you've already made up your mind to do it. So when you go onto our website, you can go into the search bar, and the quickest way to probably find it is just to type in printing, and then you will see the search results come up. So the top one is A0 PDF pattern printing service. So you can just click on that, and then it will open it up. Now, you need to choose the number of pages that is in your PDF file. So when you open it up in whatever program you're using, it will say how many A0 pages are in that file. So it might be 1, it might be 2 if it's a larger project, maybe it's lined, it might be 4 or 5, whatever. You will need to select the number of pages that are in it. Now, some pattern companies do issue their PDF patterns in individual files. So say a pattern has got 3 A0 sheets, that could either come as one file that has got 3 sheets, or it could come as 3 individual files and each file has got a sheet. So if it's part of the same pattern, you would still select that it's got 3 sheets. Okay, so you need to select the number that it's got. So for this example, I'll just say that my one has got 1 page. Then you're going to add that to your basket, and then when you go to the checkout, you will see that there is a little section there that has got PDF pattern upload. So this is the section where you want to upload your file so that we have got it and we can print it out for you. So if you just click on upload file, and that will open up a little window in your computer. So I am using an Apple Mac computer. This is what mine looks like. Obviously, if you're using different software, it might come up a little bit differently. And then you just want to locate where your pattern files are on your computer. So on my computer, I have a specific file that is where I store all of my PDF patterns. So I like to just kind of organize them in that way. So you just find your PDF file, click on it, and then say click on it to upload, and then you see the little progress bar that it's just uploading there. If you think it's the wrong one, you can replace it. And then if you are in the situation where you've got that PDF file that is one pattern but it comes as 3 pages but they're individual files, you can just upload one of them and then you can just email us the other files. The other option is, of course, is that you're getting really stuck and you feel like you can't use the website at all, you're just not finding it that you can work it out, even despite my instructions. Don't worry at all, you can just email us the files as well. So once you've uploaded them, then you just want to go to checkout. You can either pick them up in store, or we can post them out to you, and then just go through it and finish the payment process. The good thing about getting it done on our website is if you're buying the fabric or other things that you need to make the project, you can kind of do it all at once, is getting your files printed as well. So I hope that has just made things a little bit clearer. The website has changed just in terms of how it looks from when I first made that PDF pattern video a couple of years ago, so I wanted to just make a little bit of a refresher for it now. If you've got any questions, just please feel free to get in touch. Either the quickest way will just be by emailing the shop. I'll put the email address in the description to this video, or you can leave a comment on this video as well, and I shall try and get back to you. But thanks for watching. Happy sewing and PDF printing, and I'll see you next time. Bye!